Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I created this super cute nail art featuring Cheri X nail jobs, Marvel tints, then stay tuned and I will show you how to achieve this look. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So I start off, the nail is already prepped. I buffed it, got rid of the shine and everything. And right now I'm just going in and adding the nail tints. There is no way you could possibly go wrong with this style. It is so easy, so super cute, and I'm telling you, your clients will absolutely love it. I'm showing you all the colors I am putting down, and if you don't know where to get this product, like always, I will have everything I use in this video listed down in the description box. So I added pink and purple, and I'm going in and adding moonshine white. It is so pretty when it goes on. It's just like this sparkly like river of glitter, but I use that to separate, you know, the colors and not make it so so dark, because I wanted this to be like super cute, super cute, super flirty, like girly type look. And I went in with gold, but for some reason it didn't record. So right now I put a base coat on, and I didn't show it either. I'm using Dailychame Aurora Flakes, and I'm putting it all over the nail. I use the base coat because it has a sticky layer, and I use that to just adhere the flakes. And then I just go in with shiny top coat, and this is literally it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.